Hi, I'm Dee from Dee Lovely Life and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to do a quick tidy in my pantry because let's face it, we go in this pantry on a daily, sometimes even on an hourly basis. And I'm finding things in there that I just really need to throw out and try to see what I have and making sure that I consume everything before the expiration date. Today's video is part of a collaboration from Sunday Dawn from The Helpful Home, along with some other fellow YouTubers that I'm going to list in the description box as well as the playlist. So if you need some more tiny, tidy motivation, make sure you click on that playlist right there. Let's get started. All right, my mom Queen G is having a late breakfast, early lunch. So I'm gonna see what I can get done. I might have to do some voiceover as well since she's kind of watching her program. So here is my pantry. Again, this is gonna be just a quick tidy. I'm not really gonna do much. It's not like a huge decluttering. There are some stuff that's probably gonna be thrown out, but for the most part, I just wanna tidy it up, that's all. That's all we're gonna do today. But if you're wanting to see a big, huge pantry declutter, then click on the video up here. I'll have that one in the description box linked for you if you wanna see a declutter of my pantry, because that was a pretty big declutter. Don't miss that one. But for now, we're just gonna tidy today. First, I'm gonna need a garbage bag for sure. Get that ready. It's not too bad in here. I have my extra stuff there in the corner. Pancake mix, I gotta put that on the list. And we like nuts because we're nutty people. Just kidding. These are the mixed nuts, and look, my mom and my husband leave me all the almonds because they don't like almonds. So these are for me. But I think I can probably put that like in a little baggie, and then that way it takes less space. So we'll add that to the growing pile of to-dos and to toss out. All right. I'm really not sure what this went to. The only thing I could think of was the crunchy French onion that was on top of the green beans casserole, but I think I threw that out. So I don't know. I guess I'm just gonna toss that one for right now. Peanuts there, the pancake mix there. Oh, my baby Yoda, I still have not ate any of this, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the box. Even though, isn't he cute? I'm a total baby Yoda fan. Oh, Dee, focus, girl, focus. All the candy. And we have all of these little crystal light little things we like to put in our bottled waters. Some cookies, Fig Newtons for Queen G that she likes. And this one I decided, like I said, I'm gonna have Queen G finish the rest of that up. Oatmeal and the Ritz crackers because it didn't really fit in here. But maybe I can move that around. I've got club crackers. Will that fit in there? No. Nope, nope. I'll take this one there and then put that in there. Croutons. Yep. Okay. I'll put the candy kind of like the snack section. Really. And then all of these up here are all my condensed soups, broths. I have some more in the garage in my stock up. Okay. My Progresso soups should all go together. I'm like... Oh, kidney beans. And then another... these are the ones that Jay wanted. He hasn't even touched it. Like, what's up with that, Mom? Okay, croutons and salad toppings, because we like to eat salads here. This can stay down here. That's a brand new box. Girl Scout. My niece got me. Can't say no to the Girl Scouts. That top looks good. Jay was working on a project. He made this bottle here for this one because he wanted to get rid of this bottle. And he told that to his mom, and his mom like almost had a heart attack because this used to be the bottle that his father and her used all the time. So she was really sad about the bottle. So then I told her, I said, well, do you want it back? I can mail this or send it to you. She says, no. You know what I mean? Sometimes it's best not to tell him anything. I was telling Jay, don't tell her, don't tell her. Anyway, I think today's going to be the day. I'm going to go ahead and toss that out. Gross. Alright, and here, brown sugar. Jay likes to use that for his rubs and everything. I just need to get maybe a couple more of the pasta sauces. Those are just baking stuff that I rarely ever do because I'm not a baker. I have my Bluebird. I need to empty that out and find a container to put that in because when it came from Amazon, I know my Bluebird flour arrived and I just stuck it in there. So I need to take care of that. And then I wanted to give the bag to my friend who's on YouTube, Navajo Urban Dischini, for his wife Susie. So Susie, this is going to you, the bag that is, not the flour. Some of you had asked what Bluebird flour was. I think that was you, Colette, right? It's usually to make fry bread and tortillas. Hold on, excuse me. Spaghetti here. And I think that's all the spaghetti that I have. Egg noodles for Queen G. Go right there. And I have some mostacellas, lasagna, and fettuccine. Yeah, I don't have any more spaghetti. That's all the spaghetti I got. And then here I have, what is this? Linguine and stuff, which I have some extras there. Fettuccine. Oh, I'm getting hungry. Okay. And what's the choice there? Because that one's the open one. And all of these are good. I'm trying to use these up. And then I have my pinto beans, which I have a bag that's in my overflow stock area. And I could actually, I think the full bag would actually fit in here. So I think I'm going to go grab that and fill that up. And then these are all my little seasonings. But really, there's not much in here. Have onion soup that I need to remember. Look at that. I don't have much seasonings. I'm going to start making my own. Got onion mix though. This goes right there. Let me go grab the beans to fill that up. Now the flour's in there. And I have some in here. Awesome. Thank you so much for joining me today on my quick tiny tidy for a tiny tidy Tuesday. I hope this gave you some motivation to look through your pantry and do a quick tidy. Until the next one, bye.